Hi class, welcome to our activity, adding integers, Sage and Scribe. Alright, for this activity, you will be working with a partner, hence the labels student A and student B. So you should already have your partner. Let's read through the instructions and make sure that we know what's going on here. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold this paper in half, and one person is going to write their name on one side. The other person is going to write their name on the opposite side. Okay? Now, just for the sake of instructions, I will unfold my page so we can see the remainder of the instructions. When your particular side is facing up, so for example, if my name is here, and my side is facing up, then that means I am the sage, and the sage is the talker. And the other person is the scribe, the writer. So here's how this is going to work. For the first problem, the sage is going to give step-by-step instructions. So if my name is on this side, I'm going to tell the scribe exactly what to do, what to write to solve this problem. I am only going to talk. The other person, the other partner, is going to write what I say. If I get stuck, then the writer can coach me and help me figure out how to get back on the right track. And once we finish solving the problem, once I have solved the problem, then we're going to flip to the other side. Then my other partner is going to become the sage or the speaker, and I will become the writer. I will write down whatever they tell me to do. If they tell me to draw this picture, circle my 0 pairs, count what's left, here's my final answer, that's what I'm going to do. This activity is going to help reinforce the skills that we have learned in this task sheet on adding and subtracting fractions. If you have any additional questions before you begin, please make sure that you contact me, your teacher. Finally, please remember that when you fold your page, you are going to keep it on the side that it needs to be on, and know that if your name is on the top, that means that you are the speaker, and the other person is going to write whatever you say. Vice versa. Student B, whenever your name is at the top, you will be the speaker. And whatever student A says, whatever you say, student A is going to write and perform the work below. When you finish with this activity, it will be graded for accuracy, so turn it in for your grade, and then you can move on to something else. Have a good one.